country people, I don't come. When I come for here, when I talk, say, Papa, ele, ya, to. Now, so the thing day, Tori day, we go broken for una, pararam, small. The two in the past, I say, we go start for international Tori. Vladimir Putin, you know, they laugh with Zelensky. Now, fiang pom. That's why it happen. It don't throw missiles and drone them for Odessa, throw them for Lviv and other places them for Ukraine. Zelensky say Putin no one peace, but he wants also meet up. But before he want meet up Putin, he get for discuss with his friend them for Europe. May they talk about guarantee for security for Ukraine. See now, Dmitry Medvedev. He talks say no one day chan number of thing where Russia go accept semi-European soldier them, they put their foot for Ukraine. They go fight them. They go fight them seriously. Now I don't start. Dmitry Medvedev call Emmanuel Macron say na king for foul them. The king for foul they remain plenty no. We own small power in no day. Now so the thing happen. Another story for Cameroon. Na Akere Muna we send long letter for Constitutional Council. He talks say wait say Paul Biya they the force for big candidate. They never see, no man never see, and they no fit begin take man hostage. They the force for big candidate. Constitutional Council no the talk. No be ye go present a document for big candidate. So take a now all candidates they talk. They invite them. He never talk nothing. Where it means say some people in there for presidency where they don't hold it hostage. So Akere Muna call on Constitutional Council for liberate Biya and then for council a candidacy for next month election. That means say next October election. Countryman, countrywoman. Jean-Narcisse Mouelle Kombi na name. Minister for Football and Damba. You know, say the other one them, it only go where you see for basket. It means say they win something, they small interest, they mission be you want to come up for Cameroon because we travel to for in a strong team because how be minister before you want travel now authorization you need them for your oga quarter them. Now since Mouelle Kombi don't send strong long letter. For the long letter, Narcisse Mouelle Kombi semi Eto'o stop election palaba for fake foot. Say Eto'o don't change law for fake food where he no confirm am. Now we don't go back, go check out whether na true say Eto'o change law for fake food where Narcisse Mouelle Kombi no confirm am. Na lie. Narcisse Mouelle Kombi he confirm am. If people they be there, he send them for look am, they validate am because when we not talk no so they vote am, he go pass. No, you no fit talk after. So the two Narcisse Mouelle Kombi don't talk recently na yesterday for Thursday na BB lie. Document they where they show say Eto'o answer he on the 16th of December 2024. He sent letter for Eto'o for 10 December. Eto'o answer for 16. He clarified the thing them. He talk about the name for people where he be send them for can work with them and they don't work so till they finish. They don't confirm everything and then they don't send another letter on the 6th of December before they can send it on the 10th. So now so the matter they didn't send Narcisse Mouelle Kombi they fight Eto'o because he want put some people them for replace Samuel Eto'o fees for fake food. Now so the matter a day countryman. Then plenty people they talk say Narcisse Mouelle Kombi resign. Narcisse Mouelle Kombi resign. Narcisse Mouelle Kombi resign. You be minister for problem. You be minister where they create wahala. You be minister where they create you be minister where they create problem. You be Papa Bekwaji. Now so plenty people they talk am. Countryman, countrywoman. Fake food, you don't hear waiting. Narcisse Mouelle Kombi talk. Chan number of fee. Fake food now they don't continue for hammer their own. Hammer waiting. They continue with the electoral process. They don't look nothing. They don't care about which way Narcisse Mouelle Kombi talk. They continue with the electoral process. They don't sign BB book. They tell any man who want be president, vice president, second vice president. You put your book. You go be for department. You be delegated for next assembly where it will take place on the 29th. You go vote. Or if you still make council, you become president for fake food. That's so the matter. It go imbe. Hey, I say, Bezan Nyeri Inyo, Betcha. I say, oh, watch Arabongio. And that's all the thing they country people. As we waka so, we waka see the matter them they happen for the way the matter they happen. Now for year, we end our own for this day. When I know so we don't appreciate Afro basket player, they know we don't qualify for semi-finals for Afro basket when it take place for Angola. They go play semi-final against Angola. So kudos to your elbow. Hey, Engi man, Bamenda man, Ekona man, Bakere man. I'm proudly Anglophone man. They don't talk grammar. I wanna see the thing they know small time.